So we're having a cozy night in. I'm pretty cozy. Jojo?
I'm pretty coldy.
You look cold.
Yeah, I'm super cold.
What's going on?
I don't know, I'm sick and it's so cold. I think the heating doesn't work here. Or it works.
Well, we wouldn't turn the heating on anyway, because we're money savers, right?
I forgot.
What would we do? Get your jumper
Yes.
on.
Please.
No problem. I have jumper for you. Put this on. Put this on. Put this on.
It's so cold.
Yes, Jojo, that's what happens in winter. Are you better now?
No, I'm still
it's
cold.
Jojo's still cold. Wait a minute.
I'm
Why don't you
always
put this one on. Put this jacket on.
Oh my god. Okay,
Jojo, we're going to have you warm in no time.
Oh, that looks warm.
Yeah. A little bit better?
Yeah, but I would like to close it, but it's too small.
Too small. Don't worry.
Give me something
This will
bigger.
fix everything.
Oh.
Look at us. We're saving money as we speak. We didn't need heating, did we?
Yeah, what is that?
That's gloves. You put
For
them on your
skiing?
hands and they make you warm.
They are for skiing.
Just think like every time you put a glove on, you're saving money.
Yes, you don't have to buy the heating for your hands.
Yeah, you don't have to pay big, ugly, fat, vicious, vile electricity bill. Because when you turn the heating on, that's the wrong way around. Jojo, what are you doing?
I feel cold.
Okay, I like this. Jojo's very creative when it comes to dressing. And Jojo has to find room
I am fashionista.
lots and lots and lots of warm things. And Jojo's still a little bit Jojo's still a little bit cold, right? But we don't need to turn the heating on because there's always another layer. There's just always another layer that will put your arms in. That's how you wear a jacket. Arms.
That doesn't work.
Jojo, because you put the last one on the wrong way around. Okay, fine. Fine. Sit up and say hi to the camera.
Hello.
And tell everybody goodbye until the next issue.
But that really makes sense because when we wear a bit more clothes, we save a bit more money.
And one big question before we go, Jojo.
Yes.
Are you feeling warm and toasty now?
Wow, I love it. I feel like in Spain on the beach.
Woohoo! See you next time!
Bye!